Oh,
Oh, Jesus. Hello. Sapilula. Siena lady. Ngase already. Thank guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Coco.
as usual.
As per usual. Guys, it's your girl Coco. It's your girl Namfundo, aka Coco Bomb, and I'm back with another video. I can't speak a lot because we are so late. It's embarrassing, guys. Sego graduation party to our fellow graduates, and then Nimbonile actually Nyama's Obenala. We were with her at Durban. When's the graduation party? Go to a song 12. 12. If you want to know the time now, hey, disaster. Give them 2:05 so. But anyway, yeah, says your hand managing. Catch you guys when we get there, cause I want to listen to music and I can't listen to music. Yeah.
That shit just sound crazy. Trigger when I suck it out to my case. Some girls too rave me, and I don't hate myself. I like the capacity. Victim lemon taste to the tango, so I don't let nobody dance to me. Elasticity. Break bad habits and stay off the media. Don't wanna hear about or see no bitch that might take a chance for food. Yes, so I take my password, logged out and deleted Twitter. Unfollowed your ex and tell that one homegirl that I'm with her. Right now.
To people, it's like nursing. It's about just giving of medication, the injection, and yes, they don't know the logistics behind. Guys, this thing is really unseen. I know. We tried. And imagine, uzofunda part of physiology. And is it necessary? And when you are there, where you are working now, was it necessary?
Yes.
So,
I wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you
the lighting. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, let me zoom out a bit. How y'all doing? I hope everybody's okay and doing amazing. It's your girl Namfundo, aka Coco Bomb, and I'm back with another video, guys. Today it's a Friday morning. I'm preparing to go to work. I'm getting ready to go to work. I'm running a bit late. Yeah, I'm running a bit late, Sham. I'm running late, not a bit late. So, but I'm done. In the challenge, put on my blazer, remove this thing. Yeah, it's time out for these braids. They need to go now. And then I'm just gonna take my camera charger, my phone charger, put on my blazer. I'm almost fully dressed. We shot them these two, and then yes, there we go. I'm ready. You are never complete without some perfume. It's called Life is Beautiful. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's called Life is Beautiful, and it's from Signature. It smells so great. Like, it smells so great. And obviously it's affordable because it's from Signature Cosmetics. Yeah, so guys, I'm at home. It's a Friday morning. I'm at home. Tomorrow, Saturday, it's my mom's birthday. So been Funba around, obviously, for her birthday. Do something together. I don't know what we're gonna do though, because I don't want to do anything because she doesn't want to do anything. Like, I shouldn't be wasting money, and I'm like, ma'am, I'm not wasting money. I'm doing something for you. I'm not wasting money. Cause child, she doesn't want me to waste money because my contract is ending soon. Could be ending soon. You guys were with me on this journey when I got the job, your contract. See, so you guys were with me when I got my contract job, which was 6 months ago. It was in June. Obviously, everything comes to an end. So my contract is about to end. It might end, it might not end. I don't know. Because I'm a permanent poster. They are not saying anything about extending or permanent posts or whatever. Alright. So I'm trying to job hunt again, which is very draining. Like, it's drenching my soul. But I'm trying to job hunt again because I don't know what's gonna happen. You know? But yeah, we move. So she doesn't want me to waste money because I might be unemployed in the next 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. I might be unemployed. So I need to save money better. I need to save money because I have a car to pay for even when I'm unemployed. I have a car to pay for. I have things to do. So yeah, but anyway, I'm running super late, guys. I'm on my way to work, so let's go. Woo! But for to the admin I have to go through when leaving the house, when I'm at home. What? I myself cannot believe it. I need to. Okay, let me open the window. Firstly, I need to open the window first. No, not the window, the gate. I have to tie my dog first. But luckily my mom tied it before. So I have to tie my dog first. After tying it, I open the gate. And then I move the car out. and then I go back inside, lock the gate, and unfasten my dog, because in this house we don't believe in inja eboshwai. So let's make sure. And success. Now en route to get the bride. Woo, I'm so late, guys. It's 7:10. I must be at work at 1:30. So I have 20 minutes to get to work, and it's not bad, but yeah, I'm delayed. So another thing about driving at Orange Farm, Kosi Zulu. Daga. Inene. I hope my car doesn't roll here, because the amount of mud here. Oh Lord, pray for me. What's that mean? Good morning, Excel. I said that. Why? Why is that?
And I'm not nelanga ngithi.
Ungathi sabonakala umbrella. Yeah, umbrella.
Yes.
Good morning, Exeni.
Morning, Exeni.
Guys, umama is too low. Simsebenzeni man kutama. Owes-3 lo.
We are fly. Umama. Hey.
Siyageja ngapha.
Inele bani ke?
Hawu,
Wena uyisa ngale phela ayime straight.
ayime straight. Yo. Don't be. Why? Hawu, yithi ama-patient wethu lawa namhlanje. Homo. Sanibonani ekuseni. Ninjani? Nivuke nasemvuleni. Nina. Sanibonani next year. Isikamba yaba modimo mtata.
Bathong. Yo, siyahamba
Sitshayisa early namhlanje.
Consolile. Don't worry, my dear.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, my dear.
We are about to be out of this place.
Nje, ungena kwethu phuma kwethu.
Ayisi nesikhaftini efrijini.
Bathi uzena nesikhaftini.
So breakfast
Siyazidla manje. Mina anganithi ngizene actually ngithi maybe sothola amagwinya ekuseni.
Skontiri. Uzoza lokela mara soli papa. Bona room ivyang. I'm doing a day in my life work edition. Okay guys, this is consulting room number 5. Ngisebenza ngapha, but my room is room 3. This is just a room that I like because sebantwana endala, and you know I like kids. Room 3 abantu abadala. I'm not sure, but yeah. So bright and early in the morning, what I'm supposed to do is to clean up because
But I left my bag.
So she must push back.
My small bag.
Where? At home?
In the car.
Oh, yeah. At least
We are here already. Oh, okay.
At least the place is allowed. Give me a best the best.
Skontiri.
Hey, yo. Hey, Skondir.
Woo, Batu.
Ooh, champagne. Marinder. Let me go greet my people. Today is a very non-busy day, though. Why ninja? Yeah, Bluetooth me. In. I'm ready. Hey, you're showing, eh?
No.
Is this a show?
Full. Like relaxing.
Peto, you're showing. Stop saying you're full. Nice, that's why. Hey, Jani. It's no quarter, my sister. It's time. No. We're jumping. I got jumping. What's up? The big ones. Guys, oh,
how are you?
I'm saying hi, guys. Say hi, Coco fam.
Hi,
Coco people.
Hi.
Hi. Ooh.
The amount of buns in this camera,
Imagine.
Imagine, so bright and early in the morning. Guys, more Kiko reception. Where we get files, eh? Moringandi Vailugote. That's Tabang. Guys, so this is my room. My consulting room, and ciao. I know it looks a mess. It looks a horrible mess, but we are going to clean it together. We're going to pack it together, get it ready for the day, so that must alu consulta you are going. Let's see where we can put it. So Zujabuli se wonku. That I seen yesterday, sir. They need to go. I don't use this room alone. I share it with someone who is doing family planning. Because family planning, Haina room, Haina space. So I share it. You know, sharing is caring at the end of the day.
Yabona nalo akusi lo uzongixoshisa lo. Yabona kule yakubhala
Sibonga nje kuleyo ndawo ukuthi ngeke sisebenze.
How many?
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 adults. Upeto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 11. 14 plus 11. Aspagini cabbage. Oh my god. Let us pack the cupboard.
I isolate myself to spread the outside from within myself. I know I'm crazy because I admit you want help, but I'm so used to always having to help myself. So I break down, dry my own tears, then try to help someone else. Like I got power from the cosmos, like my third eye's wide open. And I've always stood on 10 toes. Am I a liar? Because that idea is deceitful. I'm more of a siren, a sultry creature. I pull you in and rip you apart, put you back together and preach I love people. That I just love too hard. I cause more damage than good that I can't afford to restore. The healer's hurt, man, I can't do this no more. I'm hateful. My whole life I've been told I'm ungrateful.
Didn't dare to feel shameful. Do I hate me? No way, that shit just sound crazy.
Yeah, anyway, it's packed. Anyway, the cupboard is packed. Guys, I work with clowns, man, too.
Oh, itamatlaw.
Yeah.
Itamatlaw.
Tell us what you're doing.
Right now, I am taking the ice packs and putting them in the cooler box. Wow. Like I must literally say that. And then I am closing.
And si vona n'wana wa ku fana na yena. I rhandza swilo leswi hinkwaswo.
Loko le ntirhweni mara u endla swilo swin'wana.
I wa tirha hala tlhelo I busy wa hi xuta. I wa tirha hala tlhelo I endla TikTok.
U rhandza swilo. U rhandza swilo.
Mainasa girl.
I can't.
Ngena ke sithandwa. Wow, Vanyango.
That was. I'm sure if you are a regular in this channel, you know I've talked about contraceptives before, but if not, this is just what I was preparing right now. We call it, it's called Depo-Vera, which is long for Depo. This is what we call Depo, or what you guys know is Depo. It's for 3 months. We usually recommend it for people who already have kids. I'm a side effects upon a weight gain, headaches, but headache is a severe side effect. If you're experiencing headaches while on Depo, you need to stop it. And then we have this one, we call it Naristorate. This is for 2 months. This one we usually give it to teenagers or people who have not had kids, because my side effects are not as harsh as these ones, and the hormone contents in this one are much lower compared to this one. So yeah, go to the clinic and go prevent, because uzawumitha ube mnandi, and ngeke ube mnandi xa sowumithile ke shayina soze kube mnandi, soze. So I don't do preventions, but I was just doing for that lady because she's been sitting for a while now. Not a while, but like 10 minutes. Mina, I deal with sick adults and babies, immunizing babies. That's what I do. Only. That's it. Nisa pharmacy masosh. Nizofuna. I'm at the pharmacy. Nizofuna. Kujumfuna. I'm looking for Mom, for a KY jelly. Hey guys. Hey Len. Hey guys, ichayisile intombi. I'm about to head to Southgate Namuntwami to get my mother a gift, a birthday gift. And as but I'm thinking pots, because she's not expecting me to get her pots. Yeah, she wouldn't expect me to get her pots. So I'm thinking of getting her pots. Then going air fryer, but so I'm gonna get her imbiza. I'm a boy though. So
trigger when I stuck it out to my case in regards to raping, and I don't hate myself. I lack the capacity. Victim let me chase to the tango, so I don't let nobody dance to me. Elasticity.
Break bad habits and stay off the media. Don't wanna hear about or see no bitch that might take a chance to pursue ya. So I changed my password and logged out Italy.
damn. Guys, my camera died, so now I'm using my phone to vlog. It's hard start that thing. The pots. Yes. Get in pots.
Now we are at
China Mall. Featuring. Manje mele sivele sibuza ukuthi how much? We have a winner. I've been saying that for the third time. But this time, we do have a winner.
I'm saying we have the pots one. Oh, black is beautiful also.
It is not like you can like the sherry. I'm thinking about it.
Jesus Christ.
Imnandi, I'm sure, just in the color.
Literally China.
Eh? Imnandi. Yes,
Oh, come on, actually, Malamu.
I want to bed. Yes.
Chanchi.
Chanching earring, chanching, chanching.
Chanchi, Chapa China.
I should say bon appetit. Chanching, bon appetit. It's not bad, ne?
You can't go to the cabbages.
Eh, in a cabbage. I'm a noodles. The cabbage.
I'm a noodles or spaghetti. Mashana got spaghetti.
Ah, I'm a noodles.
Anjani.
Eh, oh. I'm a noodles. Ni in like green pepper, like
green pepper.
What about some bubbles again? I'll go up with this.
Want to Milan
and no category.
in Catele, Cleveland.
I will discuss. Official.
Okay, it's in Calapanti. Oh, can let me leave it say Coco Fem. Hello, Coco Fem.
Oh, there's a kind of lamb.
I'm going to ask you.
Hi, Coco Fem. In Catele. Today, it was my last day at work. Oh, but it's fuck. Oh, justice.
Hey,
Oh,
Mama Mara, why was Mama's booting as a unga Kalisi fridge?
I'm checking at it. Man, so I'm saying,
We have cash in Piccadilly next door.
I mean, was you want men take a listen to him. Good to say, Elisha. They want to learn a footing.
Hi Coco fam. It's your girl Simpue. Hope you all remember me. And then I disappeared the whole year because of academic reasons. But then I'm back. Hopefully it's vibes and stuff. Peace out.
Hello, Bafitch. With my checked camera, I want to quickly show you what did. First things first, Upalisa got mom's this for Inyao. It's called the Sorbet Pedicure 3-in-1 foot massage. Basically, it has acupuncture, rollers, massage rollers, easy carry handle, and infrared lights. I hope you want some listen to but they never do the job. And the second thing is a mirror. Can you see it there? Yeah. This mirror is from China Mall. Oh, this is from Clicks. It was 4 bun, and that's 420 or something. This is from China Mall. It was 208. I love this gold. It's giving bougie. You put that carpet there. And then we got I got this carpet set, bathroom carpet sets from China Mall also for 140. I love it because it's only like how it's gray, like the tiles are gray, so the grays match the tiles, then the gold is to add flavor. Then last but not least, I have guys, but lastly we got these pots, and that's why if this is real borsch or borsch, yes, but I don't know, but if I like borsch, so is it the original borsch or is it the fake borsch? Because I also don't know, but I know there's a brand here borsch. Basically the pots are like these. Those are the pots. They're non-sticky. But what's another thing? Non-sticky. Awashiga lula ngaphansi, because they have like margins nyana so the actual pots I shally on the stove. We shall these things, and then it's non-sticky. I wash on a skir pot here. Son, these pots were 1.2 and there are 10 pieces. Basically it's 5 pots and 5 lids. Yeah, there's it. And then we are about to wrap them.
Balloons are deflated. Guess they look lifeless like me. We miss you on your side of the bed. Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenir. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Said that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked out my life. Why you walk out my life? I get like this every time. On these days I feel like you need me. Heartbreak anniversary. 'Cause I remember every time. On these days I feel like you need me. Heartbreak anniversary. Do you ever think of me?
Hello, Miss Party.
Hello.
Miss Party.
Miss Party. Oh, let's see how we can this.
Miss Party. Hello. Hey.
Hi.
Hey. Happy birthday to you, girl. Vena une makeup sis. Wena muhle njani?
Ungitshela abantu phela ukuthi angitshela ngifake makeup.
Ngiyabatshela. Ngiyabatshela. Birthday girl.
Sexy girl.
Yes. Asambeni.
Sambeni.
Izongena apha. Oh, izohlala emotweni phela. Yeah. Phuma niphele. Yes. 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 Yeah.
Outfit check.
Get into it.
360.
Get into it. Get into it.
Ah.
Thrift check. Thrift check. Mr. Price. Mr. Price. Sheen. And my face is God. It's God. That's God.
Hey, no. Ish. Angiphumanga kahle. Ngibuyela muva. Ya! Thingele. Imawo? Ufasum. Hider. Mayatsomo.
Ndisishila ngithi.
Kolo.
Ngithi ngibona ikhathi khona before siya kude.
Before sihamba. Sibone sisibahle. Vela lapha emuva. Oh.
Oh nice.
Hider mayatsomo.
Masambe labona ngivile yadla. Uzoba ukuthi
So guys, we're here at Aranda factory shop. We are here to get ingubo, Sisutu traditional blankets. Siana Marena for my cousin brother, for my cousin, because Usentabeni initiation school and we are Puma in a few weeks. So we bought it for him because Tizoya Elisutu Nati to go and celebrate with him. So another traveling vlog is coming through. Another listed vlog is coming through, baby. So yeah, we're gonna look for a restaurant around so we can go eat. Guys, let's begin. Okay, Apple Macmillan corner. Go to Uncle Harry's Roadhouse and Maupa Kanje. Baklava ngemenu. Ungakakhokhi nomoya. Imoto ingakacimi nokucima. Sebathi ha menu. Okay, let's see what they got. Grills, served with chips or salad.
order in
Special served with chips or salad. Shikombole. Okay, snacks with chips or extra, plain sandwich. Okay, no. Ready and what? Homemade beef curry and rice. That's in Funalo.
Homemade
beef curry and
beef
rice.
Curry and rice and homemade beef curry and rice. Lunch. What? Don't know.
Abana twala.
Fanjali.
Ha. Hey.
I'm some waiting beside.
How will you score at Sama? Mabungeko.
Okay, no one know.
Sam. Okay. Coffee. Jalan nalawan. Hey. Bude. Oh, hey, but like it's okay. Thank you. Iteng menu ateng. Kibatot kala moon.
Bialing.
Beving. Yeah, wabona here. Now we are talking, my sister. Let's pop. I want to pop people there.
Leave.
One table musina. Bossa ya dunus. Ipoza. Okay. Famba ke Miss Party. Famba ke Miss Party. Hey, skaberil rekila to. Habari yo muslim.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdom.
They say,
oh, and twister la. Na inodla. Yeah, and twister. I focus on.
And then,
wait.
And then,
Lana, na Lana, bese lapho ya don't.
Yeah, don't forget
we are twist and pull. Twist and pull. We are shoot a lot. Twist and pull.
Twist and pull. Twist and pull. Woo! Happy birthday! Tell her like, do the honors. Do the honors. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
It's a pleasure on me.
Yes, sure. Oh, Mama Chifta la kamanya. Oh, what? Yes.
Okay.
To you. To you.
To you.
You. To you. Not me.
To
you.
me. To me.
Yes. To you.
To me.
To more years of life, more healthy years, more money, all your dreams to come true, more happiness, usiphilele, usikhulele, usikhokobele. Ungakhokhobi, kodwa ukhuphe. Oh yeah. Ungakhokhobi, ukhule, grow in love, grow in everything. Thank you. Thank you. You have options. One bread, one starch, one meat. Thank you so much. Yeah, to that, to all of that we've said. Cheers, cheers, darlings. Clink, clink.
Okay.
Okay, why just
Clink, clink, bitches.
This is not good for me.
Oh,
Ditwe.
ucheke ashuthi ukudla kwamabhunu yini yona isinkwayi ama-chips irice kuningi asenzeni ishares nosibisisa. Danke guys.
Hayi khona.
the only thing I recommend kule ndawo ibhef.
Nayo bev yakhona singayithola anywhere. The only thing that's nice about this place
It's a garden.
the garden.
Otherwise,
Guys, look at this food now. This is supposed to be rice and curry, but all I'm seeing is just soup. No rice, just soup. And 5 rice. And then there's the sauce here. We don't know what the sauce is. Then there are chips. There's then there's chips, there's starch, there's everything, there's bread, like I highly do not recommend this place. Inje. Ibizwani konje le ndawo? It's not the one. Guys, this place is called Roadhouse, man.
Roadhouse.
Oh, here is Roadhouse in Randfontein. It's horrible. Terrible.
Sorry, can you bring me the bowl?
Bad.
Thank you.
The food is not make sure.
No.
You wish in Talintonga. Walk to me, honey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sweetie. Yes, my love. Yes. Intombazane melizizo kaloku. Yes. Bona muhle kanjani? Bayakwazi kini ukuthi nje. Yes. I love it, sis. Ipoza yami ngele. Yes. Lo batla wa ntonetse mahlo. Niseka ke nsham. Talk to the people. What are we here to do? So the friends are la. Are you shy?
They're falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time.
What's the beef? There's the beef. There's the pork. Where's the vorse?
And here is the force.
Great stuff. Great stuff. Great stuff.
Yes.
Great stuff. Great stuff. Night deco. Okay, not decor, but the gifts. Nazi izipho. Zakachom. Zakagyal shom. Amen. Nazi izipho zakagyal. Ibhodlela. Nyana. Pop nyana. Something nyana. Bon. Udishebile byang. Ukasedivuli. Kasedivuli no. Utarishebe la mahala. Utavula wakipilu. Eh? Alex, so pretty. Dimlo. Hey, when did you see my face? Yo! Ah!
Gorgeous, girl.
Okay, sorry. Anyway, so I don't know how we're gonna braai. Honestly, I don't know. And we have load shedding at 4. It's 2-4, right? Like, God, why are you being a jealous boy? Why are you being a jealous boy? Why being a jealous boy? It's raining, there's no electricity. Why? But it's fine. It's fine, because it's gonna go on. Whether it's raining or not, whether there's electricity or not, we don't care. We don't care. Sine gas to cook. Sine charcoal. Amalight is wachajile. I power bank. I corner. I speaker si chajile. So no devil formed against us will prosper today. Oh.
And then this is why I'm still support.
Check it out, I'm praying when I
Check a mo. Pula iemi.
no hona rapa.
Bonangel kadikaon.
Oh, what happened?
Happy pula, it's not you. Iemi pula, tatikilele. We shaking. Okay. Yeah! Number one. Number one.
Before you move on, happy birthday, Mama from Palisa.
Number two. Fundi message, please.
Happy birthday to the most amazing mother in the world. I wish you nothing but the best in life and many more healthy years of life. Your only daughter, only, one and only.
Wanza.
No, akunamagama. Amagama awekho asasinto
Inyama yona iyakha.
ngathi kuzophuma ibhomu la.
Hayi kuyophuma amamiliyoni lapho.
Wow.
Yo azine. Ngike ngiziqinise ngoDisemba.
Wow.
Philippines.
Zembengtsena. Lipoto o alikirwa ngeskirpot ne. Aliphekwa ngespoon. Mawupheka upheka nge wooden or plastic, uliwasha ngesponge, hayi ngeskirpot.
Bakuzala kuzelula, ukuzala Jabulela sana la mjabulela.
Last but not least.
Awubengbekezele.
Bengithule.
Yonke ngiyabonga sando sami ngiyabonga from
Hey thula lapha wena DJ.
the bottom of my womb and heart. Ukuzala kuselula. Mamela sami. Mina ngingaswetha ngisebenzisa ngihola i250 ukuthi ngelilanga kube nje.
Amen imbundewo. Asifuzeni utshwala.